To quickly show you how to turn a Google form directly into a quiz. It's only a couple steps, really easy. First thing I've done is create my Google form like I normally do with my list of questions with their answers. Now I want to be able to tell the form which is the correct question. In order to do that, first thing I'm going to go to settings and I'm going to click on quizzes and I'm going to turn on make this a quiz. And so this is going to give me some other kinds of options. Let's look at this for just 1 second. You can release the grade to students immediately, or later after you've looked at it, you can actually email directly to the students all at one time their grades. At the bottom, you can also determine what the students will see after they submit a quiz. Maybe you want them to see the correct answers or what they actually made, the point values for each question. So I'm going to click those yes so that you can just see that, but just know you have those options. Now I'm going to hit save. And I'm ready to go in and put those answer key in. So all I have to do is click on the question, get this extra little option at the bottom because I've turned this into a quiz. I click on answer. I'm going to click on the correct answer, and I can also add the points that I would like for each of these to have. So do that each time. I'm going to click on the correct answer, answer key, correct answer, and I'm going to add those. And then I can also add some extra feedback. If I wanted to. That's not very good, but you know what I mean. You can add feedback to each incorrect answer so they can check their thinking of. So let's do this again. Answer question. We're going to add some points here. I'm going to add the correct answer. Make sure I've done that for all those. I'm going to click here one more time because I have 4 questions. So I'm going to click the correct answer. Click on answer key. Click on the correct answer. And then I can also add points. This one's going to be 25 points. And I can also edit question too if I wanted to. So this is ready to go for my students. I can add a description. So I'm going to click on preview just so you can see what it looks like for students. And so they see your quiz. It's automatically going to grab their email address because that's what we have in our settings. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do, sorry. In our settings, if you click on general, you can restrict it to St. James users, and you can also limit how many times they could submit a quiz to you. But the reason why it's getting there, you want it to get their email addresses because this allows you to email grades out to them really easily because that email is now going to be part of their response. So let's just be Anita student, and then let's get some wrong and some right. So I'm going to get this one correct and get this one wrong, and we're going to get this one correct. And let's get graphite. Let's get this correct. So I'm going to hit submit. And the students will click view your score. If you didn't have it where it had the score, it would just say view your accuracy. It just says a slightly different. And so now I can see my points of the score that I made. I can see which ones I missed. I can read my feedback. So it's a really awesome way to turn a Google form into a quiz in the matter of seconds.